Cerrado's soybean production has started to face some concerns recently. One of the reasons is soybean rust. This disease is posing a threat to soybean production. For this challenge, MAFS Agricultural Research Institute, the Japan International Research Center for the Agricultural Science, or JIRCAS, worked closely with the Soybean Research Institute of Embrapa, the Brazilian enterprise for research on farming and cattle raising, to jointly develop a new soybean variety resistant to soybean rust. As I mentioned earlier, Brazil is blessed with social and economic diversity, and that's in turn making Brazil a very active country. This diversity is not limited here, but also observed in the climate and geography. In the north of Cerrado, that is characterized by highly acidic soil, is the Amazon rainforest. The Amazon rainforest accounts for 23% of the national land and 1/3 of the world rainforest. The Amazon flowing through this rainforest is an incredible river, accounting for 20% of the total river flow rate of the world. There are many Japanese colonies in the Amazon basin, and as I mentioned earlier, some are engaging in agroforestry, utilizing characteristics of the Amazonian ecosystem. As you may know, deforestation in the Amazon has significantly negative implications on the global warming. And as such, for the very survival of all life on Earth, we have to conserve the rainforest. The rainforest is also a great reservoir of genetic resources. And for us to continuously enjoy the benefit of it, we have to protect the rainforest and help maintain biodiversity. Through JICA, the Japan International Cooperation Agency, we have conducted technical cooperation projects aiming at protecting Amazonian rainforest, and some of them are still ongoing. We are also utilizing satellite images sent by Advanced Land Observation Satellite Daiichi to monitor illegal logging. As the Amazon is covered by clouds more than half of the year, it is conventionally difficult to monitor logging precisely by satellite. However, the Japanese satellite Daiichi has a state-of-the-art function that allows us to monitor the land surface even when it is covered by clouds. We are planning to transfer the image processing technology required for the analysis to Brazil, hoping this will help protect the Amazon rainforest that is supporting Earth in terms of global warming prevention and biodiversity. Agricultural ministers of our countries have very close relationships. They have been meeting annually since 2006. Former Math Minister Mr. Nakagawa visited Brazil in May 2 years ago. Back then, he met with Mr. Rodriguez, who also participates in this symposium, and agreed to meet annually to discuss new agricultural relationships between the two countries. Mr. Guedes visited Japan in March last year to discuss with Mr. Matsuoka, previous math minister, and this May, the current math minister, Mr. Wakabayashi, visited Brazil to meet Mr. Stefanes, agriculture minister. As this year marks the 100th anniversary of Japanese immigration to Brazil, Mr. Wakabayashi visited Japanese immigrants in São Paulo and Tomiyaku, apart from Brasilia. We believe these high-level exchanges will continue in the future to discuss challenges and also further cooperation in the agricultural field. As I have mentioned earlier, Japan-Brazil agricultural relations started with Japanese immigration and their contribution to Brazilian agricultural development. Our cooperation now covers a wide range of areas from food production expansion, Amazon rainforest conservation, and annual summit meetings. This collaboration provides benefits to both countries and also more widely to the world. I believe this symposium will play an important role in bilateral collaborations and coexistence in the agriculture area for the future. And in conclusion, I sincerely hope that lectures and active discussions of this symposium will provide fruitful results to all people involved. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Mr. Ishida.